so let's ride.
Okay.
Wait. Say hi.
Hi. Hola.
Kristen, say hi. Look up.
I have to have consent.
Look up.
I have to have consent.
Kristen. What? Stop touching my legs. Ah, stop. Hi guys.
We came back from graduation practice.
Didn't explain anything that we were doing today.
People, did you not hear?
It's so hot.
We're literally going to be here for like 10 hours.
Do
you have plans, Manahil?
No.
Your plans are in this car.
It's okay. It's gonna be fine. Hey guys. Oh.
10 a.m. We're eating lunch. Anyways.
I'm right.
That's true.
Okay.
Question: who do you think is paler, Manahil or Reagan?
Reagan.
I think Manahil because I've seen her feet and it is crazy.
Girl. You'll see my feet.
Why are you talking about her feet?
Because they're like very pale. They look like cottage cheese.
You guys do?
And now we're gonna go to McDonald's, I think, after we get out of traffic in the parking lot. I hate vlogging like this. It's so weird.
Why? That's how you vlog.
Hi guys. So what you doing?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right here, I'm with the Thick Sisters. Say it. Hi. Oh, so we're going. We did graduation practice, and we are going to McDonald's, and then we're gonna go to Walgreens because I need tampons, and then we're gonna
go to Jessica's pool.
Yeah. I don't mind. Oh my God.
The apple juice.
Apple juice.
Look at my CVS at. Look at my McDonald's. We're going to Dairy Queen now.
Yeah.
Story time. The time Manahil
I didn't
almost
hit the
killed
curb.
me.
I didn't hit the curb.
Story time. Okay, so I was sitting right here, and Jessica was sitting right there, and
Manahil took off.
I didn't close the door. Didn't have my seatbelt on. Me and Jessica had no seatbelts on, and
McDonald's on
And you had just got into the car.
Manahil swerved the car. She was like, "Yeah, we're leaving. I don't care if these people are buckled." And the door was open, and I almost fell out, but I was holding the McDonald's and Jessica and holding onto the seat, so we went in to fly out. Yep.
And
Okay.
I'm screaming.
My turn to talk. So in my defense, it's okay, I can do both. In my defense, when this happened, we got in the car, right? And then someone just started screaming out of nowhere when I was driving, and I was confused. But like it didn't faze me because she's always screaming. So I'm just like, okay, it's whatever. And then she just started screaming, "Door!" and "Stop!" And I'm like, "Door." Her door's fine. Then I turn around and I see Reagan's like halfway out the door, and I'm like, shit. So I step on the brake, but they didn't say anything. Even if they did, then someone's voice covered it, so I didn't hear
Time out.
it.
Shut up. In my defense, when you are driving other people, you're supposed to make sure they're in
you
the car,
always do
though.
when your
You're
doors
supposed
are
to make sure that everybody
You
closes the
always
door.
are.
That's
They're
not my
doing the right
responsibility
thing
to
or
tell
left
you
thing?
that the door was open. That's your responsibility to know. Don't blame that on me. That's not my fault.
I just said I heard you screaming.
Anyway, it's okay because we're all alive, and she did stop eventually. So
And I would have stopped if Reagan would have hit the
My
ground.
mom watches this. So.
hi, Simone.
Hi. We're fine.
Also, we just got out of the pool.
Otherwise,
She drives great, but this was just a one-time thing.
Yeah,
Yes, you say bye. Over there.
Hi guys. This might be our last vlog.
I'm gonna cry.
You're not actually crying.
No,
that's my favorite.
not yet. I started crying already because I'm a big baby.
Let's go.
Wait, what are you painting?
Hey guys, it's me and Reagan. We're at graduation right now and we're having fun.
Nobody's rows are lining up. Can these people get it together?
Hey guys, it's currently sprinkling for some reason when it's not supposed to.
Yay! 72. 38.
47.
Jessica Lopez Hernandez.
Into Simone's room.
We're gonna steal all her stuff.
Okay, so watch us. Oh, we got found out. What are you doing?
Hello. I don't want to leave. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I feel a little weird.
Okay, go. Okay, go.
Okay, good.
Come on, come on.
What do I say? What do I say?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go to the playground.
I'm gonna go to the playground. Okay.
Hey guys, I'm gonna go to the playground.
Please stop crying.
You always take pictures of yourself in your car.